Okay, guys, bringing you to another booth that you're missing at the 6th Annual Symposium. Excited that we have Tyler Nelson here, and he has not only sponsored what we're doing and giving back to the industry, but he's also speaking, he's educating. A lot of people are showing up to hear what he has to say about combustion analysis. So first of all, I guess, thanks for being here. What do you have here on the table? Talk to me about what you got.
So what we have is our flagship line of combustion analyzers. So we have our 130 series combustion analyzer here. We have our 230 series. This is an industrial analyzer all the way down. Thank you, Vanna. And we have our 030, which is our residential light commercial model. Besides that, we have refrigerant leak detectors, hot wire anemometers, and we'll just show one more hygrometer that we have. So we have a series of handheld tools, which a couple of them here have an app that you can utilize with them. By the way, the analyzers that I just showed you, they are on the MeasureQuick platform. So we are the analyzer on MeasureQuick. I'll be doing a presentation here tomorrow at 9:10 on stage 2. That will go over the essentials of combustion analysis, and I think we talked about takeaways from that. I think the biggest takeaway is as things are going more electric, combustion actually has a much more solidified place than we ever thought it would and than it ever has before, because rules and regulations are going to be changing. So I'm going to go over the finer nuances of commissioning with an analyzer, diagnosing with one, maintaining a system with one. I'm also going to cover the finer aspects of CO safety, and then bring it home with the finale of extensively going over cracked heat exchanger verification, which seems to be something that is being missed in the industry. And we've had a series of carbon monoxide poisonings this year, more than that they seem to be pretty rampant, and those are the ones that are only reported in the media.
Right.
So the timing of this and the timing of that talk seems to be very relevant as the industry is changing.
Yeah, and Tyler's been here several times educating and helping us, and I just remember the first time hearing you being surprised that actually checking a heat exchanger properly went beyond my visual inspection, and me thinking that I could figure that out and set out there. Actually having a tool will give you that information very accurately. It was like, I was like, oh, okay. It's
a very important tool in a technician's arsenal. And I liken it to the fact that if you went to your doctor would do your blood work on you to properly ascertain the state of your health. A combustion analyzer, when put on a system and the probe is put in the stack, that is what actually does the blood work on that system. So despite what the system might look like, despite what the system might sound like, you get the finer nuances of the system's performance when you hook an analyzer up to it.
Yeah.